Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to fix your steaming attachment leaking on your Monsieur Cuisine Smart. First of all, it has to be properly installed. Second of all, you should inspect it for visible cracks or creases. So let's learn how to properly install it. You should remove the lid by twisting it counterclockwise, then take it off and put the steaming attachment at an angle like that. Then twist it on clockwise. And it should be on, and make sure it's all the way, and that's it. But if it didn't work, then you will need to inspect the steaming attachment for any cracks, and mine has one. Unfortunately, mine has one right here. You can see there's the handle that broke off, but the crease goes all the way here, which means that food that will produce some juices, but also the steam, if it turns into water drops, then it'll also cause leaking. So in that case, you can either replace it or try lining your steaming attachment with something like parchment paper. Just don't cover the holes unless you need to cover them for some reason, like for example if you're proving dough in the steaming attachment. Typically you would want to just like cover this and try seeing if it doesn't leak, or if it really does leak, then you may want to just replace it. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.